tell them what you wouldn't let me do.
Who's calling?
Nobody. This is for Instagram.
You can't watch the Mafia because you complain that you watch too much Mafia.
But I like watching Mafia movies.
Sarah,
Doing.
you're gonna become a Mafia queen. I'm gonna have to kiss you.
Woo! This is what Instagram doing. Be careful. Okay. I have the most adorable fall outfit on today. And it's just too hot. Like, it is just so hot outside. I mean, I have to change, and I don't want to change into something summery as much as I do love summer, but it's fall. Like, you know what I mean? I cannot be the only one out there. Darling, I want fall. Oh my goodness. Hello, darling. It is a happy Friday, and I have finally feel like I've started to catch up with the week. Our house was absolutely insane, and honestly, it's still kind of crazy. But, our apartment, whatever, our home, but it's a little better, so I'm thankful for that. I've been having a head cold, or allergies, I'm not sure, but just lots of congestion, so my head just feels very full. But about to do the sultry eye makeup look and for homework, and I'm excited about it. And then I have errands to run today. I have to run to the bank and get some stuff figured out for that, and then just got down from my coffee shop, reviewing our finances. It's been a pretty productive Friday. But my Wi-Fi has been so slow. My TV's taking a long time to load. My makeup course is taking a long time to load online. My phone. So at first I was like, is it our Wi-Fi? But I went to the coffee shop, and there too, it just feels like, I don't know, connectivity issues, I guess, today. This is the vibe for today's outfit so far. The eyeshadow kind of sparked the whole black Chanel thing, but I am wearing this really, really pretty Papa Blue blazer with it because the weather's still 80 degrees outside. So this makeup ended up being the final look, and I must admit, I really do absolutely love it. Sorry, my screen, but I love it. It was my assignment. It was so much fun. I love that makeup was my assignment, but I've been putting off this assignment for like a very long time. So I was very relieved to get that done today. Now I'm having some pumpkin spice tea, and I'm about to take all of this off and just get in my PJs and relax the rest of the evening. My friend is visiting, and we're gonna hang out, have lots of fun all week, and just been kind of preparing my apartment and cleaning it so our guest feels at home, because I want everybody who comes here to feel at home. We have a very tiny apartment, but I love tiny spaces and I love hosting, so I get quite creative. I'm pretty sure at some point in my life, my husband and I need to be van lifers, but I've also been told by my husband that that is not happening, so I'm not sure. Eyeshadow's so much fun. What's your favorite kind of eyeshadow? Comment below, darling. And of course, a little Chanel. We did some major grocery shopping.
We did some major shopping with my parents and my brother.
Are you just repeating me?
Are you just repeating me?
And now we are headed to Happy Gnome for lunch. I'm so excited.
Lunch, we are Happy Gnome for lunch.
And as we are, after that, we're gonna be prepping our house, finishing cleaning and stuff like that, because our friend from Arizona is coming to visit us and stay with us for about a week. And then I get to go to work. Woo! Darling, it is Monday, and I'm currently looking up current blog topics to bring up. My bestie's visiting me all the way from Arizona. Do you want to yell, hey, Annie?
Hey. I'm saying hey too.
My YouTube channel.
Huh?
My YouTube channel. And we are doing life. So, woo! Hello, it is Tuesday, and I need to edit the YouTube channel and put it up today. It's been one of those weeks where I've just had a lot going on. My hubby wubby is going to be work is working. My friend Annie is out on a walk right now. And I am doing these things. I just uploaded something to my jewelry shop. So super excited about that. Been writing more fashion focused content, makeup stuff. Just fun, 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 fun. You should totally check out the blog and just read it because it's fantastic. I need to go put laundry in the washer. Bye.